Hello everyone. Welcome to Health Benefits Up. In today's video, we're going to see the health benefits of bitter leaf. Let's get started. The primary health benefits of bitter leaf is the ability to promote weight loss. The components in bitter leaf make it great therapy for burning off that extra fat you have been looking at getting rid of. A daily dose of bitter leaf juice in your diet can eliminate bad cholesterol and reduce excess calories in the body. Bitter leaf contains numerous anti-cancer properties like andrographylide compound, which has been scientifically found to be effective in treating prostate cancers, gastric cancers, and colon. Furthermore, studies have shown that bitter leaf extract can boost the immune system, inhibit tumor growth and prevent the development of cancer cells. The bitterness of bitter leaf helps to lower your sugar level and controls blood pressure. Doctors advise hypertensive and diabetic patients to consume bitter leaf as it contains potassium. This acts as a good remedy for hypertension, which prevents sodium from spiking up in the bloodstream by flushing out the accumulation of salt. Bitter leaf is very impressive when it comes to its benefit to the reproductive system of women. Drinking bitter leaf can help a woman get pregnant as the chemical compounds present in bitter leaf extracts like edotides promotes hormonal balance and boosts your immune system to help fight against toxification. Once balance is restored to your genital hormone, your chances of being reproductive increases. The kidney plays an essential role in the body as it helps to eliminate toxins and wastes that may inhibit its function. When the toxins are not expelled from the body, other body processes may not function well and can lead to poor health. Studies show that bitter leaves can help to keep the liver in good health. For that reason, many folks use bitter leaf to cure kidney-related complications, as well as liver disorders. Bitter leaf has also been used traditionally for management of fever, especially in poor countries with lack of access to essential medications such as the antipyretics. Fever can be lethal in babies where it can lead to irreversible brain damage or more. This makes bitter leaf indispensable as a lifesaver. Its antipyretic actions are due to the presence of several flavonoid compounds that help to modulate central temperature regulation. Another surprising health benefit of bitter leaf is the ability to promote good sleep. Bitter leaf juice helps in curing those suffering from insomnia. Take 2 glasses of bitter leaf juice every night. This makes your body system so calm and help you sleep easily. If you wish, you can add some honey to it. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.